Introduction to Managing Deadlines in ClickUp.
ClickUp makes it easy to keep track of tasks and deadlines. With its reminder and due date features, you can stay organized, prioritize work, and avoid missing important deadlines. In this guide, you'll learn how to set up reminders, add due dates, and use ClickUp's tools to manage your projects more effectively.
Setting due dates on tasks.
To add a due date in ClickUp, open any task and click the due date field. Select a specific date and time to specify when the task should be completed. You can also set start dates if a task spans multiple days. Setting due dates helps you visualize workload and prioritize tasks, ensuring nothing slips through the cracks.
Creating task reminders.
ClickUp allows you to create reminders for any task. Click the reminder icon within a task and choose when you want to be notified, such as minutes, hours, or days before the deadline. Personalized reminders help you follow up on upcoming tasks and keep you on track with your responsibilities.
Using recurring due dates.
For tasks that happen regularly, you can set recurring due dates in ClickUp. Edit your task, choose the repeat option, and set it to repeat daily, weekly, monthly, or on a custom schedule. This is perfect for ongoing tasks like reports or meetings, so you never have to remember to add them again.
Tracking deadlines with views and notifications.
ClickUp's multiple views, like Calendar and List, let you easily see all upcoming deadlines. Enable email or mobile notifications to receive alerts when tasks are due or about to start. By combining these features, you ensure that you'll always have a clear overview of what needs attention.
Tips for staying on top of project deadlines.
Regularly review your tasks in ClickUp, update due dates as needed, and use reminders to prompt timely action. Consider breaking down large projects into smaller tasks with individual deadlines. By consistently managing your deadlines in ClickUp, you'll stay organized and improve your time management.